In this video, I am going to guide you on how you can purchase the Leadharvester Pro and how to use it to the fullest. So if you have already bought it, it's the right video for you. If you're about to buy it, it is also the right video for you. Let's get into it. Welcome to Sasmedia Studio. On this channel, we create lessons about business marketing, email marketing, code email marketing, website development, web development, and we talk about AI tools, right? So if you are interested in this kind of content, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. So let's head straight to the lesson. So this is where you can buy the Leadharvester Pro, all right? And you can extract B2B leads from Google Maps, right? So that's the purpose of this tool, right? So it has two licenses. It has the solo license and it has the agency license. So with the solo license, that is one computer per one user, you understand? So as a user, one user, you can use it on only one computer at a time. These are the features you are going to get with the solo license. So this is the price, 69 USD for one-time payment. So that means you are going to get this application for your lifetime, you understand? Yes, and you are going to use it on one computer and you are going to get 1 year update and you are going to use it personally. That's for personal use. You can get a standard support from the support team, and remember that those with agency will have priority support. That means in case you submit a support and the agency license also submit a support, they are going to consider the agency first before they consider you. But what it means is that no matter what, you are going to be helped with your problem, right? You also have the standard speed. You can have 15 threads. What it means is that 15 scripters working on 15 websites at the same time, you understand? So that is speed. Okay, that is speed. So that means if it is going to use 20 seconds to script email from data from one website, because you are using 15 threads, it is going to be times 15. You get it? So that is it. And we have this is the personal license, okay, for personal use, right? Yeah, so that is for the solo license. And we have the agency license. So you can just click on the agency license over here and you can see it is lifetime updates. So with this license, that is, you're going to pay $197 and one-time payment for lifetime usage and also for lifetime updates, right? So when you pay this, you don't have to worry about any update expiring, all right? Yes, and you also have, you can use it on 5 different computers, right? And you can have lifetime update. It is team use and it has a priority support, as I explained in the solo licenses. It has an hyper speed for 50 threads. So with the solo licenses, you are going to get 15 threads, but with the agency licenses, you are going to get 50 threads working together at the same time. And we also have the commercial rights. Yes, you can resell the data that you get. So we have the two payment method. We have the one with Whoop and one with Flutterwave. So let me explain. So those, if you are living outside Africa, the best to use is this one, and you can pay with your credit cards, your cryptocurrency, and with your cash app, right? And if you are living in Africa, and you can use your card, you can use your Momo as well, right? So the choice is yours. So let's say we select the solo licenses. All you have to do is just click on pay with Whoop. So you can click on claim over here to get your 10% off within 10 minutes. If you don't, that is it. You have to pay the full price, right? So now this is it. We selected the solo license, which is 69 USD. So you just have to click on purchase over here, and this is it. So we have the card, we have crypto, we have cash app, and you also have crypto via Coinbase. So if you have Coinbase, you can pay directly. If you have any other wallet or exchange, you can use this crypto, or even with the crypto via Coinbase, it's going to work fine. You can use card, you can use cash app, right? So that is how it is. So after you select your payment method, you have to make sure you enter your email, because that is where the license key will be sent to you, right? And also fill in the information and click on purchase. Now after making the purchase, you'll be sent with an email, and the email will come from Sasmedia Pro support, right? So when you click here, you can see that this is the email, support@sasmediapro.com. It's very important, right? And this is how the license is going to look like. And you can see this is valid for one device. You understand? So since I'm using it here, I can show you this key. You cannot use it over there because I'm already using it. And the software has made downloadable for you to install on your Windows PC. Alright, so you just have to click on download the software, and you can see it said I should download the Leadharvester. So after downloading, you just have to extract it. So this is it. So I'm just going to right click on it, and I'm going to hover on WinRAR, and I'm going to click on extract here. All right, yes, and this is it. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. So I have the proxy template, I have readme, and also have the user guide, right? So I'm just going to double click on this for the Leadharvester to open. All right, so as a new user, you'll be asked to enter your license key. Very important. So I'm going to copy my license key, and I'm going to right click, just click and right click and click on paste over here and click on activate license. And as you can see, we have been able to get into it. All right, so I'm going to make it bigger. So this is how the Leadharvester Pro is. First of all, you need to add your own API key, and you can create free API key with the sepa.dev. It's very important. It's free. So I'm going to show you how you can create a free API and how you can insert it here, right? If you are smart, you can create multiple Gmail accounts, and you can use those Gmail accounts to create multiple API keys, right? So let's head straight to it. So this is the website. I'll leave the link at the description, and also the website where you buy the Leadharvester Pro. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you check it out, right? So after you visited the sepa.dev, you just have to click on get 2,500 free queries, right? And I'm going to fill in the information. All right, so you just have to solve the captcha and click on create account. All right, so I'm going to solve this captcha. Traffic lights, and yes, so you can see a verification email has been sent to my email account, right? So we are going to just click to verify. All right, so this is the email from the sepa.dev website, right? So I just have to click on the link over here to verify that, right? So you can see verifying, and you can see email verified, right? So now this is how you can create your SEPA API key for free. So you just have to click on dashboard, and you can see they have given you 2,500 credits, right? That is 1 credit per 1 request, and 1 request can get you like 10 leads. So that means if all the 2,500 requests that you request gives you 10 leads, you can get like 25,000. You understand? Leads. So let's say at least the minimum you should be getting 10,000 leads, right, with this free API, and you can create more and more free. Okay, or better still, you can just click the billing, and you can see they have 50,000 credits for $50. So that means if 1 credit is giving you 10 leads, so that means with this you can get 500,000 leads, right? The least you could get should be like 200,000 leads. Okay, so if you want huge amount of leads, you can pay for this. All right, now all you have to do is just click on the API keys over here, and just click on this, all right, to copy the API key. Now you have to come back to the Leadharvester Pro application, and you just have to right click and click on paste to paste your API key, and that's all. Right, now at this section, that is where we are going to add our keywords. So you just have to enter the number of keywords you want. Now it does well or better if you use zip codes instead of cities. So zip codes, 1 city can give you like 3 or 5 zip codes. You understand? So with that, you have a lot of targets. You understand? So this tool has an inbuilt city to zip tool that is going to help you to generate keywords from zip codes, right? So you just have to click on it and you can see this is the modal, right? So what kind of job are you looking for? I mean, businesses are you looking for? So let's say if you are looking for architect, you can see architect here. If you are looking for hotels, you can see hotels. So whatever you are looking for, you just have to type it in, then you click here to select your country. So this supports 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 countries for now. If you are looking to extract leads from many countries, then there is a special keyword generation tool. If you want to just leave it at the comment section, I'm going to make a video about that too, right? So let's say I want United States and I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on the state to select the state I want. I'm going to choose New York, right? And the city, I'm going to use the city of New York as well. So New York over here. All right, and I'm going to click on generate list, and you can see generated list is generated keywords is 166, right? So that is it, and it has been pasted into this section for us. Good. So all you have to do is you just have to close this and click on OK over here. Now this is keyword. This keyword is 166 keywords, and you can get a lot of leads from that, right? Now this is the thread I have explained when we were purchasing the products, right? So I told you that threads basically means workers, right? So I'm going to just set it to 5. You can set it to 15 if you want. We want it very fast, right? So I'm just going to set it to, just leave it anywhere around this section, and I'm just going to click on start harvesting. Now you can see we have 2 windows over here. Here is where you can see the logs, okay, and this is where you are going to see the live data, and this is where you are going to see the total leads and the total emails that you are going to get, right? So you can see that we have like 24 leads or 27 now, and we have leads with 13 emails, right? So basically around 45% email enrichment success, right? So that's it, and every lead has brings phone number. So that is one good thing about this. If you are into SMS marketing, if you are into WhatsApp marketing, you can use this as well, right? So after you think you are okay with everything, you can just click on stop harvesting. All right, so you can see now within that short period of time I've been able to gather like 98 leads when 35 has emails, right? This is how powerful these two can be. Then after clicking stop or after finishing, it is going to automatically save to the product directly or where the application is. So I'm going to open it. This is this section. You can see this is it, Leadharvester data, right? And I'm going to use the Excel. I'm using 2007 Excel, so I cannot open it directly with this. So I have to open the Excel first, then open the document from it. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on open. Yeah, so this is the folder. I'm just going to click here and I'm going to click on all files, and I'm going to select the Leadharvester data and click open. So this is hotels, and that is the keyword, and we have the business names, we have the phone numbers, we have the emails, we have the addresses, physical addresses, we have the website, right? And also the rating. Okay, that is the rating on Google Maps. So this is the data you get from using the Leadharvester Pro. Right, so thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button if you want this kind of content, and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.